Hi everybody, this is vlog number 10. I made it to a 2-digit vlog. What? Yay! This is going to be a weekend vlog. So I'm going to get ready. I just moisturized my face and did my eyebrows. My choice in the palette I will be using today will be this one. This is the last thing that I saw on Instagram before I went to bed last night. I was looking at my makeup and I'm like, what is on my lip? It's glitter lip liner. I accidentally put glitter lip liner on. Can you tell? You can tell?
Yeah, it looks pretty.
It looks like I've been sucking on a unicorn or something. Do people usually pick them out? Like, do they look for the good ones, or am I doing it wrong?
No, you're doing good because they will look like.
They all look alike. I don't know what's wrong and what's not wrong. I think that'll be enough.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I need ancho. Ancho. Okay. And these are always good to have for enchilada sauce, anything like that. Okay. And I definitely need these. We're not gonna make that much. Usually, if we were to make them for Christmas, we would probably take about 6 or 7 bags. But it's just gonna be for me and Raul, maybe my mom, but that's about it. Okay, unfortunately, I need real garlic today. So unfortunately, I will buy some. How much are the garlic? $2.97 a pound. So I'll get 3. I think that should be enough, right?
Thank you.
Okay. I think that's it for the produce. The seafood. Oh, my favorite spot in the whole store. They're 99 cents. Do you need one? Oh no, we got soda at the house coming, but do you want one?
Yeah.
A Mexican one? Why you don't ever get this flavor?
Like it.
Or guava, or tamarind, or sangria, or tutti frutti, or mandarina. Okay, apple it is. Okay, so this is what we need. Pork lard. This goes in the meat. Now I know y'all might look down on this, but this is how we do it. So, and by the way, it's super cheap, so I'm gonna get both of them. Get that. And then we need to get some pork shoulder. That's a shank. We gotta look for that. Let me see. That's spare rib meat. That could be good. Spare rib meat. Because it's by the bone, so it has more flavor. It has more fat, no?
Yeah.
And it's more tender. Mira. Pork shoulder cubes for carnitas. That's what I like to use. Now, if it was Christmas, it was Christmas, we would get one of these things, which is a pig head. That's what we would get. But it ain't Christmas. What is this? Black tea. $2. I don't know if that'd be worth it. Oh, lids. Well, I don't jar anything. Raul wanted to get these batteries that are $9 when he can go to the Dollar Tree and get the same pack for $1. Have I taught you nothing? What are these? This is cute. $129. I mean, I feel like this would just be in our way all the time, but it's still cute. I don't know. I think it's cute. They have purple, blue, green, and red. Okay, this is why I love the store, because they have a lot of authentic Mexican pieces, and I want this one. Look, it's a water jug?
Yeah, water jug.
Aww.
I don't know, my love.
Oh, this is a masa spreader for tamales.
Oh.
I just use a spoon. But I do want one of these on the coup.
Yeah, okay.
I need one of these.
That one.
Cause did you see mine broke?
Yeah.
My other one broke. Found out that they sell Menudo today, so we're gonna hopefully get a little bowl. Okay, so now we are on to Walmart pickup. We had breakfast / lunch because that was such a big meal. I don't think we're gonna eat again until later on tonight, so we're good. Off to go do Walmart pickup, pick up our groceries. Then we will be unloading the groceries, and won't be doing a grocery haul this week because there's really nothing special that I'm getting that I need to show you all. See what else the day has for us. All right, let's go to Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is my second favorite Dollar Tree because if you look, what is it that y'all don't see? And it's always like this. No boxes. Everything is stacked and stocked. So nice. I love this Dollar Tree. Another aisle with clear aisles. Look at their freezers. I mean, look, I'm not even lying. But there are boxes over there, but they're not in the aisles. Isn't that's crazy? Look, I'm gonna show you. No boxes. That right there is probably some kid. I just heard some kids right now. But look, no boxes. Why do I look so orange? It's the light. There, I look a little bit brighter. It's the light, y'all. It's the light. I look orange. Look, I look like a Oompa Loompa.
Like a who?
Oompa Loompa. You don't know what an Oompa Loompa is?
No.
The little people, the little people that were orange.
Oh, I think I do.
Oompa Loompa. Look like an Oompa Loompa. Yeah, I think it's the lighting. I'm gonna just say it's lighting. Either that or I just got really orange something on. I think I do. Cause look, it's just this right here, this area. It's not on my double chin. Now we're really on our way home. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Hi Juju. Hi baby. Hi. Hi. Coco, you don't care as much as he does, do you? Do you? So I just went to this Amazon locker pickup. It's new here in my area, but basically it's a locker that stands outside of a safe area like 7-Eleven. I guess because it's open 24/7. I don't know. It's near my house. Basically, it's a locker. They send your stuff there instead of your front porch, which if you're like me, I really get paranoid about my packages because my packages have been stolen before. And so, you know, I really don't want to burden my neighbors to ask them to watch for stuff. And I really don't want to be out and about and have to come home because my package is here and not be able to just feel free. Or sometimes I have to stay home all day long waiting on Amazon because they just say, your package will be here anytime before 9 p.m. When it's delivered, they send you an email with a code and a little scan barcode to your email. And basically, you can use your phone or they give you a code. You press that in, boom, the locker opens and you have your stuff safe and sound. The only thing you'd probably have to worry about is probably getting jacked on your way to your car, but that's probably not going to happen. I mean, you never know though. Let's be real. Anyway, all right, let me just show you what I got really quickly. See, this is the size right here. I got this cake decorating kit. It's basically that. I got some ink for my printer and a ream of paper because I need it for my Macari because I make receipts. I have to make the labels, so yeah. Also, for the locker, it has to be a certain size. If it's too big, then they're going to have to send it to your house. But other than that, it's a really, really great thing. It's called Amazon Lockers by Plymouth. Yeah, really cool idea. All right, so these are the goat cheese and pastry. We just put some honey on top. I hope it's good. I hope the cheese is still on there. It's supposed to be like a salty, sugary, salty sweet situation. All right, so it's the end of Saturday. We had what did you think of Martini night?
Fun.
It was
good.
We didn't get the martinis right.
No, we didn't.
But we had good food.
We had a good time.
We had good food, good company, and a good time. That's all that matters.
Keep coming back, you guys. Yes. I'm really bad because I'm a bad bitch.